Hey guys, it's Dr. David Thornton again, and I have something incredible to share with you guys. This is something that this industry has been waiting on for over a year while the technology improved and was actually redeveloped specifically for the internet. And we're talking about a technology that we see on our mobile phones every day, and that's push technology, where you're able to send messages to mobile phones, to computers via push technology. Now, the great thing about this technology, it's now available to us, those of us that are on the online world that do marketing. Now, the first of its kind goes live this week. In fact, it goes live on the 12th. It's called Push Response. Pretty basic name, but the product is amazing. Now, we're talking about being able to put a little tiny opt-in box on any web page that you like, blog, lead capture page, sales page, store, whatever you guys have in the internet, on the internet. You're able to put a small little box in the corner, and all you're doing is you're asking for the lead to tap here if they want to receive messages. The beauty of push response is your prospect does not have to enter any personal information. Now, those of us that have been doing email marketing for years, we know that the majority of folks have a hard time sharing legitimate email addresses, their name, and everything else. Well, we don't have to worry about that anymore. We now have a push response technology that's an autoresponder in and of itself. We're collecting information in the sense that if we ever want to broadcast coupons, sales, links, anything we want to broadcast to these marketers or the people that want to buy our products as us as marketers, we can now do that. And it's through push response that we can do that. And guys, this is something that is, it's the future, and it's here. And that's the great thing about it. And those of you that know who I am, I preach constantly about branding yourself online. That you need to brand yourself online to become an authority figure where people will trust you and they'll buy from you. And by doing that, and how you do that is you continually use new technology. You show people that you're on the cutting edge, that you're using things that is something that the normal crowd in the marketing space does not use. That's what push response is. It's brand new, and I would hop on it if you can. Now, the great thing about push response is I've got a $150 off coupon that you guys can get if you follow this link, and that's going to save you a bunch. Basically, you're going to get this technology for under $50, and there's upgrades and everything else, but that's up to you. My advice to you is don't miss out on this. This is something that you need to grab. If you want to be on the cutting edge, if you want to be able to send messages, we're talking about broadcasting messages to your prospects' cell phones, to their laptops, to their iPads or tablets, whatever they have. You can now do that like that. You don't have to wait for them to read their email. You don't have to write a long email. All that stuff is in the past, okay? Yes, you can still market using email, but now you can market doing push technology. Guys, it blows my mind to think of what we can do with this simple technology, of the way that we can communicate now with each other. It's unobtrusive. There's no personal information shared, and it's very user-friendly, not only to send the broadcast, but to receive the broadcast. We all get push notifications on our phones and our computers every day. We're talking about that's what push response does. Even on a Facebook page, wherever these folks are, you can even push them to a Facebook page, to their own Facebook page, and they can see the message, the broadcast from you. So now, what I'm going to do is I have the creator record a great demo, kind of an overview of the push response technology that I'm going to play real quickly after I'm done speaking here. And on this description, I'm also going to give you a link to a video that goes a little more in depth, that shows you the actual how to make a message to the push response and how that actually works. Okay, it's a little more technical oriented, but this next part of the video that you're going to see is from the creator, that you can actually see how push response can change your business. And once we're done there, I'm going to make sure you do get a link, and you'll see me on the sales page, and I'm going to talk with you about some new bonuses that I have. Bonuses that, I know guys like to throw crap at you all the time. You can get this, you can do this, 70,000. It's amazing what people come up with these figures. But what I'm going to give you is not only a bunch of plugins and themes, I'm going to give you myself, my time. You buy through my link, you're going to get an hour of my time to go over your business and give you free advice about how to up your business in the sense of increasing your sales, bettering your communication, your advertising, your capture pages, whatever your concerns are. I would be more than happy to help you, okay? You buy from my link, you have my time. That's, people pay a lot for that, but you're going to get that for free as a bonus. With, I think it's right now we got 25 plugins, 10 themes that are brand new, so it's pretty awesome. But the best bonus is you and I are going to be able to converse, okay? This isn't this, grab this, grab that. It's going to be a real communication and a real coaching, mentoring relationship if that's what you want. So anyway, folks, follow the link, watch the rest of this demo, and I'll see you on the sales page. Don't miss out on this, okay? On the 12th, we launch Push Response. Thanks.
Google, Apple, and Firefox released new technology which allows you to get way more traffic and sales by sending messages directly to people's computer desktops and Android mobile devices. Facebook, Amazon, eBay, and other big companies already have push notification software which grows their traffic and sales. But until now, there was no dedicated solution for marketers, entrepreneurs, and online businesses. And that's why we've created Push Response. Push Response is the software which allows you to build a list of people who visited your website and broadcast promotions to them without the use of email. So, with the use of Push Response, you're no longer forced to rely exclusively on email to be able to promote to your subscribers. Push Response not only allows you to send app-like notifications without an app, but it has autoresponder-like features on top of it. It has similar features to an email autoresponder, but instead of sending emails, you can send messages straight to a prospect's computer desktop and Android device. The prospect doesn't even have to be on their browser or on your website to receive them. You can build a push notification list, just like you would build an email list, and you can then promote your offers to that list. You can create lists, follow-up sequences, instant and scheduled broadcasts, broadcasts to people who did not click previous broadcasts, and much more. Push Response allows you to send unlimited messages, create unlimited lists, create unlimited follow-up sequences, and use geo-targeting. To get messages, people don't have to install anything. All they have to do is single click or tap, and they'll be added to your notification list. Messages display both images and text, which subscribers can click on to go right to your website or affiliate offer. Those messages are delivered to prospects in real time, so they can take instant action. Push Response is also extremely easy to add to your website or blog. All you have to do is copy and paste a line of code and just do it once. That's all it takes to start building your notification list with Push Response. Push Response Direct Message Broadcast is a new way to reach website visitors to skyrocket your traffic and sales. With the ever-increasing onslaught on email inboxes, it's really hard to get people's attention to open an email and then click a link inside. And while email broadcasts will remain important, all methods to boost traffic and sales should be used at the same time. Push Response cuts through distraction and enables instant messaging and response. You would get way more traffic and sales after Push Response is added to your promo mix. And if you run a webinar or have a time-limited special offer, push notification does a much better job than email, which can be opened after the event or special offer already ended. Message broadcast is the future of direct marketing. And with Push Response notifications showing on top of all open apps, there is no better technology to instantly cut through distractions and have your marketing message seen. But before I tell you more about the Push Response system, let me tell you why you're losing traffic and sales without a message autoresponder. You see, Push Response opens a whole new way to collect subscribers and to promote to both those who did not subscribe with an email and as an extra promo push to those who get both emails and messages. Until now, visitors to your opt-in page had only two choices, either to subscribe or leave. Those who left didn't want to share their email address with you. The main reason people don't want to share their email address is privacy and the effort it takes to type the email, especially on a mobile device. And no matter how good your opt-in form copywriting is, the majority of people will leave anyway. On the other hand, allowing push notification with a single click or a tap on a mobile device does not require submitting any personal information and takes almost no effort at all. You can use push response in addition to an opt-in form and by itself everywhere where adding an opt-in form would be a distraction from the content or marketing message. Collecting subscribers with push response is very effective also on exit pages and pages receiving any type of cold traffic, including from ads. Now, for most marketers, the money is in the list, and the bigger the list, the more sales they make. With the use of push response, you can expand beyond just an email list and build a very responsive push notification list to boost sales and profits. Push response was created by the same team of people who previously created marketing software used by tens of thousands of marketers in their businesses. Ever since we released the very first version of our email list building software back in 2006, one of the most submitted development requests has been to create an app with the ability to message people directly. It was impossible to do until Google and Apple made it possible last year, with Firefox following them later. So, after almost a year of development by a team of our top software engineers, push response was created, and we can finally fulfill that request. Now we invite you to bring your sales and profits to the next level. Click the button below to get started.